Sunliner. The Sunliner being the soft convertible, the Skyliner being the hardtop convertible. This car was actually owned by the same family since 1962. They purchased it with only 2,000 miles on it. It was their everyday driver for the longest time until it started getting rusty. Put it in the garage, started doing some work on it. Long story short, it went from the garage to sitting outside for 15 years under a tarp in the yard. Contacted us about restoring it. We met with them, brought it back, media blasted the car, and got with them, got a plan together, and basically did what they wanted us to do. It is the original color that it was back then. We did take the original 352 motor and turn it into a 390 Police Interceptor. That's what he wanted to do. So it's got the specs of the 390 Police Interceptor motor. He kept the 3-speed manual transmission, so the 3 on the tree is still there yet. Interior is very close to the original pattern and style. Gentleman had brought us this truck, contacted us about doing some rewiring and installing a radio in this 55 Ford. Comes in the shop, we start taking it apart, start doing the wiring in the truck, and realized that we have to do paintwork and such on the dash. We brings his wife in at some point, and she said, "Well, if you're doing the paintwork and stuff on the dash, you might as well just redo the interior right away while you're there, right?" And he goes, "Okay, well, let's do the interior. We'll get these different seats. We'll do this." She goes, "You know what? I'm not fond of this 90s paint job anymore. Just do the whole truck over." So the whole truck became from a wiring harness, minor job to a complete redo. The interior is already done in this also, if you'd like to see that.
What color is this?
It's actually a custom color. We actually did a custom color for a custom mix, and then we basically had the customer sign off on it. And from that point there, we did this work. A little bit of front end here for you. Windsor. 351 Windsor with a Ford FMS transmission. US mag. All the way around. Nice stance. Yep, nice stance.
Let's say someone wants to reach out to maybe inquire about restoration or some work on their classic car. How does somebody get in touch with you?
They just give us a call at 484-624-3919. Go on our website, Borneman's Restorations and Customs. Give me a call. We can talk about whatever aspect you want to do, and we can go from there. There's not very much that we don't do. All my guys have very good knowledge about working on just about anything we have in the shop. And we've worked on things from 1903 automobiles to 1970s cars.
Okay. So a little bit of everything.
Yeah, I mean from Pierce Arrows to Packards to Cadillacs to we have a 60 Mercedes in there right now, 220 SE that we've done a bunch of work on, Rolls Royces. So we do a lot of different stuff.
What's your lead time on a full restoration?
3 years.
3 years.
We're 3 years out for that. To get it in, they can get started. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Okay. They're that busy.
Well, that's a good thing.
Yep. And as everybody else is going through, it's a lack of help.
Yes.
You can't find the help. And you have to be experienced in this kind of work to be able to do this. You can't just always want it. What I always hear is people always wanted to do this. I can't always want to train you. I don't have that kind of time to be able to do that. I need some kind of experience to do it so we can get going.
So are you looking for someone?
We are. We're looking for body men and metal fabricators also.
All right, so anybody out there who
please
does this
contact us. Yeah, our shop's we have a 26,000 square foot building. I mean, we have 30 cars in there at all times. The shop is full at all times, but I can't get anything else in until something leaves.
Right.
So that's a good thing, but it's also stressful.
How big of a crew?
We have 15 employees right now.
Very nice.
Yeah, full-size paint booth. The shop breaks via U. It's basically broken down into a fabrication part, a mechanical part, and then the body shop part.
Okay.
So the body shop dirt and all that is kind of kept by itself. the fab shop where they're doing all the metal work and all the custom work like that is separate entity. We have a full in-house machine shop to do all machine work and making a lot of our own parts now that we weren't doing before. Matter of fact, the gentleman that's doing it for us was doing stuff on the side for us, but decided to get out of his normal machine shop business of making the same thing, same 500 pieces every day, to make it unique stuff for us, which he really enjoyed. So we actually hired him to come in and hold all the equipment and went from there.
Very cool. Well, Dave, really appreciate you showing us these
You're welcome.
vehicles, and
You're welcome.
wish you luck.
Very nice meeting you guys.